Thank you for watching the Snap Surveillance Force Multiplier Operator-Assisted Tracking demo. We're used to seeing large camera count environments and security operations centers where they have monitors on the wall of many of the camera feeds. The challenge becomes when the operators need to track somebody around an environment, around a campus, as they go from one camera feed to the next. Most systems just are not set up to handle that tracking from camera feed to camera feed with any kind of effectiveness or efficiency. What we have with the Snap Surveillance Force Multiplier product is a tool that has artificial intelligence and machine learning that learns the relationships of one camera to another, so that an operator never has to go to the large camera tree on the left of most VMSs. They are presented with the camera feeds that the suspect could go into at any given time. So as an operator was to watch a suspect, all they would have to do is click onto the next camera feed that is available instead of having to go over to the camera tree to do that. So let's go into a quick demo of the product. And what we'll do is we'll see an individual who lays down his laptop bag and walks away. And we see this individual walking over, and he's either a good Samaritan or maybe not, but he picks up the laptop bag. And so I, as an operator, I'm going to now track him and see where he goes. And all I have to do as the operator is to click on the camera feeds that the Force Multiplier product is bringing up into my view so that I can see where he's going to. I don't ever have to go back to the camera list anymore. I'm simply watching all the camera feeds that he could potentially walk into. And if there's a situation where there's a gap in the coverage, Force Multiplier will put a bar around a camera feed that says this camera is not overlaid to the other camera. We see the individual walk by the first person who dropped off the laptop bag, so I guess he's not a good Samaritan after all. And so we can continue our track and to see where is he going in our environment with that laptop bag. And again, you notice that all I'm doing is clicking on the camera feeds as he moves about the environment and moves from camera feed to camera feed. And so we see him come right back to the scene of the crime. So we know he's not just a good Samaritan. One of the other features of Snap Force Multiplier is this record button. So if we were to start this over again and click on the record button and watch this scenario play out, the system will actually stitch together this main video feed of this track. So as I move about and watch and see where this individual is going, the system is recording this in the background and will export an AVI file and a text file of all of these snippets so that I can provide that to the police or to HR or to whoever I need to give this file to show this guy picking up the laptop bag and walking around campus with it. I can sit here and hit stop and call it stolen laptop. And when we go off and see the environment, we see this AVI file, and I can now play that AVI file. And see what was stitched together for all those different camera feeds. So I can sit here and show that, yes, this individual did pick it up, and he did walk around campus with it, and did whatever he did with that laptop. Again, the exported text file that shows the time and date for each one of these snippets, so that if I have to go into the VMS and export it, each individual snippet for evidence, I can do that. So again, I hope you see the value in how the Snap Surveillance Force Multiplier product is providing a much simpler and easier tool to track suspects around a large camera count environment.